Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest self-defense products on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest self-defense products of this year. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given in the description box. Product 1. Product name: World's Only Laser Sight Pepper Spray. The World's Only Laser Sight Pepper Spray, specifically the Guard Dog Accufire 2, is an innovative self-defense tool designed to enhance accuracy and effectiveness. This keychain pepper spray features a built-in laser sight, a unique attribute in the market, which assists in aiming to ensure precise targeting, particularly in high-stress situations. The Accufire 2 is designed for ease of use, incorporating an instant release mechanism that allows quick deployment when needed. It boasts a substantial range of 16 feet, providing a safe distance between the user and a potential threat. The formula used is of maximum strength, ensuring potent and effective self-defense capability. This product is tailored for personal safety, making it a practical choice for those seeking a reliable and easy-to-use defensive device. Its compact size and keychain design make it convenient to carry and accessible in moments of need. The inclusion of a laser sight not only improves accuracy but also serves as a deterrent by signaling readiness to potential attackers. Product 2. Product name: Hickory Stick Tire Thumper. The Hickory Stick Tire Thumper is a multifunctional tool popular among truck drivers for its versatility and practicality. Known in the trucking community for its utility in checking tire pressure, the Hickory Stick Tire Thumper provides a quick and effective way to gauge whether a tire is properly inflated by giving it a solid whack and listening to the resulting sound. This method, while not as precise as a tire gauge, allows for rapid assessments that can help prevent on-road tire failures. In addition to its primary function as a tire pressure checker, the Hickory Stick Tire Thumper is often referred to as a fish bat knocker due to its resemblance to a bat used for subduing fish. Its sturdy, weighted design, coupled with extra grip features, ensures it can be used effectively and comfortably even in challenging conditions. The robust construction of the Hickory Stick Tire Thumper makes it a durable tool, capable of withstanding frequent use. Its balance and weight distribution are specifically designed to provide optimal impact without requiring excessive force from the user. The extra grip not only enhances handling but also ensures safety by reducing the likelihood of slipping during use. Product 3. Product name: Mission Cooling Neck Gaiter. The Mission Cooling Neck Gaiter is a versatile accessory designed for both men and women to provide comfort and cooling relief in various weather conditions. These gaiters are constructed from a specialized fabric that is engineered to cool instantly when activated with water. By simply wetting the gaiter, wringing it out, and snapping it, users can experience a cooling effect that can help regulate body temperature during hot weather. These neck gaiters are not just limited to summer use, they are effective in all weather conditions, offering protection from the sun, wind, and dust. The Mission Cooling Neck Gaiter can be worn in multiple ways, including as a face cover, headband, scarf, or wristband, making it a multifunctional accessory suitable for outdoor activities such as running, hiking, cycling, and other sports. Key features of the Mission Cooling Neck Gaiter include UPF 50 sun protection, which helps shield the skin from harmful UV rays, and a lightweight, breathable fabric that ensures comfort during prolonged use. The gaiters are also machine washable and reusable, providing a sustainable and cost-effective solution for staying cool and protected. Product 4. Product name: Woobin C3 Flashlight. The Woobin C3 Flashlight is a versatile and high-performance lighting tool, designed to meet a wide range of needs from camping and emergency situations to inspections and repairs. With a powerful output of 1,200 lumens, it provides exceptional brightness, making it suitable for various demanding tasks. Key features of the Woobin C3 include brightness and modes. The flashlight offers 6 different modes, allowing users to adjust the intensity of the light according to their specific requirements. These modes enhance its utility across different scenarios, from high-intensity lighting for outdoor activities like camping and hunting to more subdued settings for home use or inspections. Rechargeability. The flashlight is rechargeable, which adds convenience and cost efficiency by eliminating the need for disposable batteries. This feature also ensures the flashlight is always ready for use after a quick recharge. Durability. With an IP68 rating, the Woburn C3 is built to withstand tough conditions. It is both dustproof and waterproof, capable of functioning in challenging environments, which is particularly beneficial for outdoor activities and emergency situations. Tactical design. Its design includes tactical features that make it a reliable tool for rescue missions and other critical tasks. The rugged build and easy-to-use interface make it suitable for both professional and recreational use. Product 5. Product name Fisco Rope Dart Meteor Hammer Exercise Ball. Their Fisco Rope Dart Meteor Hammer Exercise Ball is a piece of traditional Chinese martial arts equipment designed for practice and performance in disciplines such as Kung Fu. This tool, also known as a rubber meteor hammer, combines the functionalities of a rope dart and a meteor hammer, both of which are historical weapons used in various Chinese martial arts styles. The PHYSKOW rope dart meteor hammer features a soft rubber ball, which makes it safer for practice compared to traditional metal versions. This allows martial artists to train effectively without the heightened risk of injury associated with harder materials. The equipment is attached to a durable rope, enabling users to perform a wide range of movements, including swinging, spinning, and thrusting techniques that are characteristic of rope dart and meteor hammer routines. This tool is particularly valued for its ability to enhance coordination, agility, and precision. Practitioners use it to improve their flexibility, timing, and spatial awareness, which are crucial skills in martial arts. Additionally, it serves as an excellent means of cardiovascular exercise and can help build strength and endurance. Product 6. Product name Hero 2020 is a non-lethal gun. The Hero 2020 is a non-lethal gun designed for home and self-defense, providing an alternative to traditional firearms. This device aims to offer personal protection while minimizing the risk of fatal injury. It is particularly suited for individuals who are uncomfortable with the potential lethality of conventional guns but still seek a reliable means of self-defense. Key features and functionality. Non-lethal ammunition. The Hero 2020 uses pepper projectiles that incapacitate assailants without causing permanent harm. These projectiles are designed to deliver a high-intensity pepper spray that causes temporary blindness, coughing, and intense discomfort, providing a critical window for escape or further defensive action. Ease of use. The device is user-friendly, with a point-and-shoot mechanism similar to traditional firearms but without the complexity and legal ramifications associated with them. This simplicity makes it accessible to a broader audience, including those without extensive training. Compact and portable. Hero 2020 is designed to be compact and easy to carry, ensuring that it can be readily available in case of an emergency. Its size allows for discreet carrying and quick access. Product 7. Product name Vive Walking Cane. The Vive Walking Cane is a versatile mobility aid designed to provide support and stability for individuals who need assistance with walking. Suitable for both men and women, this cane is particularly beneficial for the elderly, offering a reliable solution to enhance balance and mobility. One of the standout features of the Vive Walking Cane is its patented offset grip, which is designed to reduce hand and wrist fatigue by distributing pressure more evenly. This ergonomic design ensures a more comfortable and secure grip, making it easier to use for extended periods. The cane is lightweight yet sturdy, striking a balance between durability and ease of use. It is adjustable, allowing users to customize the height to their specific needs, which is crucial for maintaining proper posture and reducing strain. This adjustability makes the cane adaptable to a wide range of users, accommodating various heights and preferences.